Think about this. If we are breathing, then we are aging. But we get to choose whether or not we age healthy. And you guys, I'm here to tell you that I am going to age healthy. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. I am now in my 60s and I look and feel years younger than my actual age. And the reason being is, one of them at least, is because of my diet. So today I am sharing with you a high protein snack. It is a Mediterranean deviled egg. Now, mind you, you guys, eggs recently have been getting a lot of negative press because of the cost. Hey, we get it. But I remember growing up and we did not have a lot, but mama, okay, and family knew how to take food and make it stretch. So I am going to do exactly that with this deviled egg recipe. I'm going to add in some ingredients that make this deviled egg more satiating, okay, and more filling. And one of the ways that I'm going to do that is to add more protein, because protein is filling. It makes us feel a lot more satiated. And also what it does is it energizes us because it takes more energy to actually break down the proteins. So in addition to egg being an excellent source of protein, so are some of the ingredients, such as this Greek yogurt. And also I'm going to add in some chickpeas. You guys get excited about it. Come in close and let's make these Mediterranean deviled eggs together. Okay, my eggs are already boiled and peeled. And of course, if you don't want to bother with that at an additional cost, you can buy them from the grocers already boiled. But I'm all about saving money, you guys. So what I need to do at this point is just to go ahead and cut them in half and then scoop out the inside into my mixing bowl, just like that. Okay, let's set these aside. And next, what we're going to do is we are going to mash these egg yolks. And since I've got to mash the chickpeas as well, I'm going to go ahead and put those into the bowl. Fork here and mash. All right, this looks good. Let's add in some feta cheese, Greek yogurt. And we're going to set this aside so that we can chop some olives and also our fresh dill that I got from our garden. Next, some olives. Add in some garlic powder, some brine from the olives, some rice vinegar, and combine all of the ingredients. Okay, this looks great. At this point, you would taste for salt and also to add any additional Greek yogurt in or mayo. So you guys, it is time to go ahead and put this filling into the eggs. Now you got a choice here. Either you can spoon it in, which is what I'm going to be doing today, or if you wanted to do the fancy, then what you can do is pipe it in. And if you don't have a piping bag, then you can make one. You take a Ziploc bag just like this. You cut a little piece off of the corner, all right? Then if you want to put in a piping bag tip, you can do exactly that because they have different shapes. And then once you get that in, you simply take the bag, put it in your cup, bake it over, and then put the contents of the filling in here. And then once you take it out, okay, you proceed to push the contents to the edge and you will pipe it into your little eggs, just like that. Okay, all right, but again, for us, we are just going to take a spoon and fill in our egg whites, just like that. Okay, guys, the last thing you want to do, optionally, is to sprinkle a little bit of this paprika on the tops of these eggs. A little bit of that smokiness. Oh, that was a lot. Or not. We just do that little tap tap of the finger. That always seems to help control the amount coming out. Oh, that looks amazing. And another thing is if you have any of this filling left, which you probably will, because again, I stretched it by adding in some of those chickpeas, then what you can do is you can get yourself some crackers. I happen to have Simple Mills almond flour, rosemary, and sea salt. So good. Or you can always check out my low carb recipe if you've got time to make some, and try to make some, you guys, because they are super simple to make. Make them in advance, put them in a little storage container, and when you're ready for them, they are ready. Or you can take some lettuce leaves. We got some lettuce that we are growing in our garden, and then you can take some of this, put it up there, roll it up, and you also have an alternative snack as well. You guys, this is it. High protein, simple, clean eating. And if you enjoy this recipe and if you want to see more, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. And also remember, this is perfect for meal prepping. All you need to do is to put these little gems into your meal prep container, put the seal on it, refrigerate it, and you are good to go for the next 4, 5, or 6 days, depending upon how many of these that you want to eat in the course of one day. You guys, please do remember to give this video a like, and please do give it a share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. You guys, as I always say here before I sign off, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special and enjoy. I'm going to go for the cracker, you guys, because I still have to do my thumbnail. Chef's kiss.